Hello and welcome to the last lecture on the Introduction to BitBadges course. Up until now, we've kind of shown you all about the BitBadges site and what all you can do with it. And now, this lecture will kind of focus on more alternative ways of interacting with BitBadges through ecosystem tools and integrations and so on. So in the last lecture, you saw a little bit into how you can use sign-in with BitBadges. So on certain sites, you might interact with BitBadges through the sign-in button. But you can also interact with it through other existing tools and integrations. And yeah, so before we get into it, I just want to highlight that we want to, over time, support a suite or ecosystem of tools. The API is fully public and free to use currently, so we hope that any developer can create their own tool, create their own interfaces, and so on. So we'll be talking about 3 different tools in this lecture. Let me go. So the first we'll talk about is the Chrome extension. If you go to the docs page, docs.bitbadges.io, you can see the Chrome extension tab and get the install link and download it. And basically, this is a way for you to just view insights about a user without leaving the page that you're currently on. So we have it downloaded here, as you can see in the top right. And it's just a simple pop-up that, you can view insights into a user's account. So as you see, this is my account here that I'm signed in with, and you can see kind of what badges they have, their age, and you can also customize certain requirements on the actual BitBadges option page. So you might just check custom requirements. So maybe you want to check like a verify if they're verified. So you can add the verification badge as you see here, and you can add it as a requirement. And then when you go into the Chrome extension, I believe it should. Yep, you can see that you can add if they have the verified badge or not. So this is pretty cool and neat because you can leverage everything from, or see everything without actually leaving the site you're currently on. So you don't actually have to go to the BitBadges site, go to a specific badge page. You can just maybe customize some requirements, or just gain quick insights into a user that you're interacting with on a certain website or just are seeing on a certain website. So again, where is it? So if you just go to this link, or it can be go to the docs page and go to the Chrome extension tab, just download it there, and you can customize it as needed. So yeah, that's the first kind of marketplace integration that we have. The second is very similar. It's a MetaMask snap. So as you see here, similar to the requirements that you can set for the Chrome extension, you can also set them for the MetaMask snap, and you can gain insights into the addresses that you're transacting with while within MetaMask. So as you see here, there's a BitBadges tab when you're sending a transaction, and if you click on it, you can see their portfolio, you can see the requirements they have set, and so on. This is installable at this link, as you see here. You just add it to MetaMask, super easy. And the last kind of integration or way of interacting with BitBadges that I kind of want to highlight is the add to LinkedIn feature. So for example, let's say you have an educational course badge, and you want to add it as a certification on LinkedIn or kind of show it off on your LinkedIn profile. What you can do is easily just go to the share button and then the create certification on LinkedIn, and it'll add it to your LinkedIn profile, and it'll redirect you to the BitBadges this page, so people can see how it was obtained, what the criteria was needed, and who owns it. Yeah, so it'll just take you to a form like this, and you can customize it and add it to your profile as you need. So over time, as I mentioned, these are just 3 ways of interacting with in an alternative manner with BitBadges. But again, over time, we want to support and add as many tools, ecosystem tools, as we possibly can. So if you have an idea for one, go ahead and build it, or let us know and see if we can work out something for you. So yeah, I think that is the end of this lecture and also the end of the course. So I want to thank you all for attending, and please join us in the next course to go a little more into depth, more developer oriented into the token standard, and also more developer flows and customizing your badges and so on. So yeah, again, thank you for attending, and it was a pleasure. And yeah, thank you.